US President Donald Trump on Monday threatened to jail a journalist as part of an effort to identify the source behind reports that a second Air Force officer from a downed US fighter jet in Iran was missing. The remarks came during a White House press conference. Trump said the early disclosure of the second missing crew member complicated ongoing military rescue operations, which officials had intended to keep confidential after the first airman was successfully recovered on Friday. He warned that the administration would pressure the media outlet involved to reveal its source, citing national security concerns. Leak complicated rescue efforts. "We're going to go to the media company that released it, give it up or go to jail," Trump said, adding that the journalist responsible for the report could face imprisonment if they refuse to disclose the source. He did not name the media outlet in question, and a White House official declined to elaborate. Iranian media had initially reported the downing of the aircraft, leading to widespread online speculation before major US outlets confirmed the incident. Several organizations, including CNN, later reported on the missing personnel and rescue operations. The second officer was recovered early Sunday in what CIA Director John Ratcliffe described as a highly complex mission. Trump said the leak alerted Iranian forces, making the operation significantly more difficult. "All of a sudden, the entire country of Iran knew," he said, suggesting it triggered efforts by Iranian authorities to locate the pilot first. Ongoing tensions with media and Pentagon policy. The remarks mark an escalation in the administration's ongoing tensions with the media. Trump has repeatedly criticized coverage he deems unfavorable and has pursued legal action against multiple news organizations, including the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, and CNN. His administration has also sought to reshape media access, including attempts to restrict certain outlets and changes to Pentagon reporting rules. A recent Defense Department policy requiring government-approved reporting led several journalists to surrender credentials. After a legal challenge led by the New York Times, a judge ordered the reinstatement of some reporters. However, the Pentagon announced plans to relocate media offices to an external annex, further intensifying the standoff between officials and the press.